Hey everyone, this is Paige with Tampa Bay Watch. I am the educator and coordinator for our Bay Grasses and Classes program. Our Bay Grasses and Classes program is a program where middle school and high school students grow their own native plants for restoration projects. The students will build their own nursery, harvest their own starter plants, and monitor the water quality and the plant growth throughout the year. When the plants are ready, we bring the students and their plants out to coastal restoration sites where they transplant them. So wetland plants require a lot of water to survive. So we have to build a non-traditional nursery, one that can hold a lot of water. So we're going to show you how we build our wetland plant nursery today. Let's go. First, we're going to select a relatively large flat spot, and we're going to remove any debris or rocks from our spot so that it doesn't do any damage to our liner. So now that we have a spot, we have to flatten our area. We might use rakes, hose, or a ground tamper, which will compress the soil. We may even have to add soil or move some soil around so the ground is perfectly level. If the nursery isn't level, the water might drain from the liner, or the plants in the higher spots won't get enough water. Today, we're going to build a 16-foot by 8-foot nursery. We're going to start by laying out the base of our nursery using these treated 4x4 wood boards that are 8 foot long. Next, we join the boards together using our flat strapping connector, our angle straps for the corners, and galvanized nails. Now we're going to cover our base with a pond liner, which holds the water in the nursery. We cut our liner ahead of time into an 18-foot by 10-foot piece, which is a little bit larger than our baseboards. We walk the edges of the liner to fit it snugly to the base. Last thing, we just fill our liner with water and we add the right amount of salt for the plant species that we have in our nursery. And now we have the full nursery ready for the plants to be moved in. Sadly, coastal wetlands have been dramatically reduced in the Tampa Bay area due to high rates of coastal development. Our native plantings help restore these valuable ecosystems. Coastal wetlands provide numerous services to residents in coastal communities. They reduce erosion at our shorelines, reduce flooding, filter pollutants, and provide habitat for important wildlife species. Well, we hope you enjoyed our video, and from all of us at Tampa Bay Watch, thanks for helping us save the Bay every day.